Today's digital age, professional networking has evolved far beyond exchanging business cards at conferences. LinkedIn stands out as the premier platform for building and nurturing professional relationships. Whether you're seeking new job opportunities, aiming to expand your business, or simply looking to stay updated in your industry, LinkedIn offers a powerful suite of tools to help you connect with like-minded professionals. In this video, we'll explore how to harness LinkedIn's features to maximize your networking potential and open doors to new possibilities. Let's dive into the world of LinkedIn and discover why it's essential for your career growth. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital business card. It's often the first impression you make on potential employers, clients, or collaborators. Start by uploading a professional photo and crafting a compelling headline that reflects your expertise. Fill out your summary with a clear, concise overview of your skills and career goals. Don't forget to include your work experience, education, and any certification. A complete and polished profile increases your chances of being discovered by recruiters and professionals in your field. Remember, your profile should tell your unique story and highlight what sets you apart. Your headline is more than just your job title. It's a snapshot of your professional identity and what you offer. Instead of simply stating your position, use this space to showcase your expertise, industry, and unique value proposition. For example, marketing specialist driving brand growth through data-driven strategies is more impactful than just marketing specialist. A strong headline helps you stand out in search results and attracts the right connection. Take a moment to think about what makes you unique and let your headline reflect that. Summary section is your opportunity to tell your professional story in your own words. Use this space to highlight your achievements, career aspirations, and what drives you. Write in the first person to make your summary more personal and relatable. Include keywords relevant to your industry to improve your visibility in searches. An engaging summary not only captures attention but also encourages others to reach out and connect. Remember, authenticity is key. Let your personality shine through while maintaining professionalism. Detailing your work experience is crucial for building credibility on LinkedIn. List your roles, responsibilities, and key achievements for each position. Use bullet points to make your experience easy to read. Whenever possible, quantify your accomplishments with numbers or specific results. This not only demonstrates your impact but also helps recruiters and potential partners understand your capabilities. Keep your descriptions concise and focused on outcome. Regularly update your experience as you progress in your career to keep your profile current and relevant. LinkedIn allows you to list your skills and receive endorsements from your connections. Choose skills that are most relevant to your career goals and industry. The more endorsements you receive, the more credible your profile appears. Don't hesitate to endorse others for their skills as well. Networking is a two-way street. Regularly update your skills list to reflect your evolving expertise. This section helps you get noticed by recruiters searching for specific talents and strengthens your professional reputation. Showcasing your educational background and certifications can set you apart from other professionals. Include your degrees, relevant coursework, and any additional certifications or licenses you've earned. This not only demonstrates your qualifications but also shows your commitment to continuous learning. LinkedIn makes it easy to add these details, and they often appear in recruiter searches. Don't overlook this section. It can be a deciding factor for potential employers or collaborators looking for specific expertise. Networking is at the heart of LinkedIn. Start by connecting with colleagues, classmates, and industry peers. Personalize your connection requests with a brief message explaining why you'd like to connect. As your network grows, you'll gain access to more opportunities and insights. Don't be afraid to reach out to new people. Most professionals appreciate genuine connections. Remember, the quality of your network often matters more than the quantity. Focus on building meaningful relationships that can support your career goals. Sending a connection request, always include a personalized note. Mention how you know the person or why you're interested in connecting. This small gesture can make a big difference in how your request is received. A thoughtful message shows that you value the connection and are not just expanding your network for numbers. It also sets the stage for a more meaningful professional relationship. Take a few moments to craft a message that stands out and reflects your genuine interest. Staying active on LinkedIn means more than just updating your profile. Engage with content by liking, sharing, and commenting on posts relevant to your industry. This increases your visibility and helps you stay top of mind with your network. Share your own insights or articles to showcase your expertise and spark conversations. Regular engagement not only builds your personal brand, but also opens doors to new connections and opportunities. Remember, thoughtful interactions are key to building a strong professional presence. LinkedIn groups are a great way to connect with professionals who share your interests or work in your industry. Join groups related to your field and participate in discussions. This is an excellent way to expand your network, learn from others, and stay updated on industry trends. Contributing valuable insights can help you establish yourself as a thought leader. Don't hesitate to ask questions or share your experiences. Groups thrive on active participation and knowledge sharing. Following companies on LinkedIn keeps you informed about their latest news, job openings, and industry updates. It's also a great way to demonstrate your interest in specific organizations, especially if you're considering applying for a job. Engage with company posts by liking or commenting to increase your visibility among their employees. This can help you build connections within the company and stay ahead of industry trends. Make a habit of following organizations that align with your career goal. Recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients add credibility to your profile. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations from people who can speak to your skills and work ethic. Be specific in your request. Mention the projects you worked on together or the skills you'd like highlighted. Offering to write a recommendation in return can also strengthen your professional relationships. Well-written recommendations provide social proof and can make your profile stand out to recruiters and potential partners. LinkedIn's messaging feature is a powerful tool for building and maintaining professional relationships. Use it to follow up with new connections, schedule meetings, or share relevant information. Keep your messages concise and professional, and always personalize your communication. Avoid sending generic messages or sales pitches. Focus on building genuine relationships. Timely and thoughtful communication can turn a simple connection into a valuable professional contact. Don't be shy about sharing your professional achievements on LinkedIn. Whether it's a promotion, completed project, or a new certification, sharing your successes keeps your network informed and engaged. Use posts to highlight your accomplishments and express gratitude to those who supported you. This not only builds your personal brand but also encourages others to celebrate their own achievements. Remember, sharing your journey inspires your network and fosters a culture of recognition. Consistency is key to building a strong presence on LinkedIn. Set aside time each week to update your profile, engage with content, and connect with new professionals. Regular activity keeps you visible in your network and demonstrates your commitment to professional growth. Even small actions like commenting on posts or sharing articles can make a big difference over time. Make LinkedIn a regular part of your career development routine for lasting results. LinkedIn provides analytics to help you understand how your profile and posts are performing. Review metrics like profile views, post engagement, and search appearances to gauge your impact. Use this data to refine your strategy, identify what content resonates with your audience, and adjust your approach accordingly. Analytics can also help you spot trends and opportunities for growth. By paying attention to these insights, you can make more informed decisions and maximize your networking effort. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for job seekers. Use the job search feature to find opportunities that match your skills and interests. Set up job alerts to stay informed about new postings. Tailor your profile and resume to highlight relevant experience for each application. Don't hesitate to reach out to recruiters or employees at companies you're interested in. Being proactive and strategic in your job search can help you land your next opportunity faster. LinkedIn allows you to add projects, portfolios, and media to your profile. Use this feature to showcase your best work, whether it's a presentation, publication, or creative project. Visual examples of your achievements can make your profile more engaging and provide tangible proof of your skills. Regularly update the section as you complete new projects. This not only highlights your expertise but also demonstrates your commitment to excellence. Always maintain a professional tone and demeanor on LinkedIn. Remember, your activity is visible to your network and potential employers. Avoid controversial topics and focus on sharing positive, constructive content. Respond to messages and comments promptly and courteously. Professionalism builds trust and enhances your reputation within your industry. Treat your LinkedIn presence as an extension of your personal brand and always strive to make a positive impression. LinkedIn is more than just an online resume. It's a dynamic platform for building relationships, sharing knowledge, and advancing your career. By optimizing your profile, engaging with your network, and staying active, you can unlock countless opportunities. Remember, networking is an ongoing process that requires authenticity, consistency, and a willingness to help others. Start applying these strategies today and watch your professional network and your career grow. Thank you for joining us on this journey to LinkedIn mastery.